tempting. If y'all are scared of spiders, y'all might want to get out of here. Hold on. My whole jump scare got ruined by whatever noise he just made. Every time he dies, I'm gonna add in my own sound. I could do better than that. Let's record one together. So I'm gonna give y'all 4 options for death sound effects. Here's the first one. Okay, that was the first one. Here's the second one. Third one. Oh, that one's definitely about to be my favorite. And here's the fourth one.